Germany is stepping up military support for Ukraine with a fresh $300 million commitment to the Czech-led ammunition initiative. The funding is expected to secure around 50,000 long-range artillery rounds for Kyiv at a time when Ukrainian forces continue to face intense battlefield pressure from Russia. The move also reinforces Berlin's position as the largest foreign contributor to the Czech ammunition program, which has become a critical source of artillery supplies for Ukraine.
Germany will contribute an additional €300 million to this initiative. That's approximately 50,000 rounds of long-range ammunition.
But the announcement carries significance beyond the numbers. Germany's latest contribution comes amid reports that international participation in the Czech initiative is shrinking. According to Czech President Petr Pavel, the number of participating countries has reportedly fallen from 18 to 9, raising concerns about the long-term sustainability of one of Ukraine's most important ammunition lifelines. Launched in 2024, the Czech initiative sources available large-caliber ammunition from global markets using funds provided by partner nations before delivering the rounds to Ukraine. Czech officials say millions of artillery shells have already reached Ukrainian forces through the program, helping bridge critical shortages on the battlefield.
Germany plays an important role as a supplier of military equipment and ammunition, and together with our defense industry, makes a significant contribution to European security.
Germany had already allocated $1 billion to the initiative last year and now appears to be filling the gap as international participation declines. The latest $300 million package sends a clear signal that Berlin intends to keep Ukraine's ammunition pipeline running, even as questions grow over how many partners remain willing to share the burden.